Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss on permutation and probability, lecture question example 34. So we have 3 red marble, 4 yellow marble, 2 green marble. So we are going to arrange in a row. Okay, bila melibatkan arrange, okay, ini melibatkan permutation. Okay, now the question asks to find probability. Okay, to find probability, the first thing first, we must find number of sample. Number of sample for permutation is without restriction. So we are going to range all the marble without restriction. Okay, we have 3 red, 4 yellow, and 2 green. In total, we have 9 marbles. So we are going to arrange all the marbles without restriction. So our NS is equals to 9 factorial. And then we are going to divide because we have identical. Marble, red marble, we have 3. So 3 factorial. Yellow, we have 4 identical marble. And then the last one, green, we have 2 factorial. So our NS equals to 1260. Okay, for question A, we are going to arrange all the 4 yellow marbles must be next to each other. So this one is together, close together. So question A, we have 4 yellow marble will be at the same place. Yellow, 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 and yellow. So total we have 9 marble. So minus 4 yellow, we have left with 5 marble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So number of event A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 factorial. Among the red and green, we have identical, divided by 3 factorial and 2 factorial. And then times with the 2 together, we have 4 yellow marble and we have 4 identical. So we have 60. So the question asks for probability. And then we have probability of A equals to 60 divided by 1260, which is equals to 1/21. Okay, so done with the question A. Okay, for question B, all the 4 yellow marbles must not be arranged next to each other. Okay, dia tak boleh together. So kalau not, we are going to find complement for the together. So for question B, it can be probability of A prime 1 minus 1/21, which is equals to 20/21. Or you can find number of A prime, which is 1260 minus 60, which is equals to 1200. To find the probability, 1200 divided by NS 1260. So the answer is 20/21. Okay, for question C, the green marble must be in the first and the last position. For question C, the condition, the first must be green. The last one also must be green. Number of event C is the green is 1P1 times with the green is 1P1. So the rest total we have 9 marbles. So at the middle we have 7 marbles. We are going to arrange all the 7 marbles, divide by the identical. 3 for red and 4 for yellow. So we have n equals to 35. But remember, the question asks for probability. So probability of C equals to 35 over NS 1260, which is equals to 1 over 36. Okay, so that's all for this example. Thank you. Bye-bye.